All right, guys, we are Jordan hunting here. 91-92 Fleer basketball. These are some thick boys here. So let's see how many we can pull. We got at least, I think, a minimum of 3 Jordans, I would say. I think these are 40 cards a pack. So we got 80 chances, and you know they're going to load up with Jordans because they did that in the 90s. Here we go. Let's see who we have. Dikembe Mutombo, Cedric Sabalas, Loy Vaught. We can flip them on around here. Okay. Henry James, William Bedford, Doc Rivers, Mike Dunleavy, Tate George, Rodney Monroe, Ricky Pierce, LaSalle Thompson. Get flipped around here. Dwayne Shintus. Can't pronounce that. Kurt Rambis. Ronnie Cycli, Larry Stewart, David Wingate, Rich King. We got Spud Webb, Dana Barrows, Michael Adams, a couple guys way before their time, great three-point shooters. Charles Oakley, Charles Shackelford, Jason Williams, Mo Cheeks, Phil Jackson, Steve Smith, Dikembe Mutombo, Hakeem the Dream Olajuwon, Brian Williams. Let's flip around here. Brad Doherty, Rumil Robinson, Mutombo, Lionel Simmons, Olajuwon. We definitely hit our Mutombo mark. Alan Bristow, Joe Dumars, Greg Sutton, Brian Quinnett, Larry Bird, Brian Oliver, John Starks, Greg Anthony, and Tony Smith. No Jordan Jets. Okay, William Bedford, Doc Rivers, Brian Shaw, Tate George, Rodney Monroe, Terry Mills. What do we have here? Oh, no. Who is it? Paul Pierce? Or, sorry, not Paul Pierce, but Ricky Pierce? I can't tell. Anyway, you got Patrick Ewing on the block shot there. Mark Macon, Jack Haley, Johnny Dawkins, John Stockton, Larry Stewart, David Wingate, Rich King. We've seen these before. Give me some new players here. Pat Riley, Dana Barrows, Doug Smith, Larry Nance, Donald Hodge, Ty Corbin, Larry Brown, Steve Smith, another Dikembe Mutombo. We've had plenty of Mutombos. Tom Tolbert, Dan Marley, Terry Davis. Let's get a flip here. Come on. There we go. Delaney Rudd, Scott Williams, Bob Hill, Stacy King, great announcer for the Bulls, Victor Alexander, Billy Owens, Tree Rollins, Mark Aguirre, Matt Bullard, James Worthy, Hall of Famer. There's a Jordan 1991 All-Star Game with Dumars, Ewing, Bernard King, and Charles Barkley, Alvin Robertson, Walter Davis, Fred Roberts, Varenkovich, Rick Fox, Keith Owens, Horace Grant, Pete Chilcutt, Dikembe Mutombo, Jared Mustaf, and James Edwards. So there we go. We got one Jordan, part of that All-Star cards. We got, 17 Dikembe Mutombo. So thanks for checking out this video, guys. We'll see you on the next one.